Hi boys and girls, this is your teacher, and as I mentioned earlier today at the carpet, this page is going to be printed out and you're going to use it on the day of your presentation. Okay? So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for your dinosaur. Okay? There, I found my dinosaur, Giganotosaurus. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to insert an image. Go to Insert, Image, and then go all the way down to where it says Search and click on Search. Inside the box here next to where it says Google, inside you're going to type the name of your dinosaur. If you don't know how to spell your dinosaur's name, right now is a good time to stop, open your yellow notebook, and find out the name of your dinosaur and how to spell it correctly. Okay? So go ahead and press pause and type your dinosaur's name in there. When you're finished, continue watching the video. Okay, now that you have finished typing in the name of your dinosaur, you're going to click on the search button. When you click on the search button, you will notice that there is going to be many pictures of your dinosaur. However, you will also notice that you might find pictures that are not of your dinosaur or that are not correct. Okay, so I'm going to pick a really good picture to show somebody who has never seen a Gigantosaurus before. So as I scroll down, I'm going to look for a picture that I feel would be a good one. Okay. Notice here, for example, this one and this one are not good images. Those are not even Gigantosaurus. So I'm going to scroll back up because I think I saw one in the very beginning. I think I like this one, and I click on it. Once I click on it, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to press Select. And now my dinosaur is on my page. Right now is a good time to press pause. Okay, go ahead and insert your picture. Okay, now that you have inserted your picture, notice that your picture is way too big and that it's blocking the name of your dinosaur. So you're going to go to one of these corners, whichever one you want, and you're going to shrink it. And you're going to pull down holding the mouse. And now notice that your picture is not blocking the name. So I'm going to move it over a little bit like this. Okay? So now the next thing that you're going to do is you are going to insert a text box. So you're going to go to Insert again and you're going to click on Text Box. Okay? And then you notice here now your mouse, your pointer has turned into an X. You're going to click down and hold it and drag. You have now made a text box. Okay? Once you see this blue square, you're going to go to font size and you're going to change this to 30. Okay? And you're going to write first length and a colon. Okay? Space, and you're going to write the length of your dinosaur. If you don't know the length of your dinosaur, right now is a good time to pause, open your notebook, and find the length of your dinosaur. Okay? Alright, now that you have found the length of your dinosaur, you're going to type it in. The length of my dinosaur is 15 meters long. So I'm going to type in 15 meters. Notice that when I wrote meters, it went to the next line. I don't want it to do that. I want it to go into the first line. So I'm going to move the sides to make the box bigger. See how when I made it bigger, now it's on one line. Okay? Then I'm going to click enter and go to the next line. I'm going to click enter 2 times. Okay? And then I'm going to write height, colon, space, and then I'm going to type the height of my dinosaur. My height of dinosaur is 4 meters tall. Okay? So I'm going to write 4 meters. Okay? Now, I am basically finished. If I would like to, at this point, I can also write how heavy it is. Okay? I can write weight. Okay? This is an option that you can do, but you don't have to do it. Okay? I'm going to choose not to do it, but if your dinosaur is a very heavy dinosaur, and if you want to share this when you are presenting on Friday, then please do it. Okay? I am not going to include it because the weight of my dinosaur, to me, it's not that important. Okay. The last thing that you're going to do is you're going to now go back and you're going to edit anything that maybe you think you might have done wrong, or maybe any spelling changes, or also this is a good time now to go back and change the font and change the size. Okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Gigantosaurus here, and I actually don't like this font, so I'm going to change the font. So I'm going to go to where it says here Arial, and it says font. Notice in black now. And I'm going to scroll down, and I think I want this as my writing. I want the luckiest guy. So I want that one. And I don't know if I like where this is. I think I'm going to move it a little bit towards more the middle. So I'm going to move that there. And then this, I don't like that there. So I'm also going to go up here and see how there's a cross there. See how it makes a cross? If I move it, now it's a cross. Away, it's not a cross. Now it's a cross. I want it to be a cross. And then I'm going to click down and I'm going to scroll and I'm going to move it down further. And I think I want it here. Good. And I'm going to make this box a little bit smaller. Okay? And then I also am going to change the font of this. So I'm going to highlight starting from here. Oops, nope. Starting there, all of it. And then I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it to the same font as the other one. I like how it's the same. Uh-oh, so now it's too big. So that means I'm going to have to go up here and possibly change the size of my font. That looks better. And I'm going to move it down a little bit. Now I'm going to go to my image here, and I think I want to make my image just a little bit bigger. Just a little bigger. Let's see. Good. I'm going to move it over and adjust it so that it's right out of the way of the letters. So, finished. I am now finished. I have changed my font, I have my image, I have my length, and I have my height. Okay? Go ahead and finish your dinosaur page.